Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add filter in Confluence table. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Let's start from your Confluence homepage. Once you're there, you need to choose your workspace. Make sure to click on the workspace that contains the page where you want to add the filter. Next, you'll want to find and click on the specific page where you plan to add the filter. Once you're on the correct page, the next action is to click on the filter option. This might be a button or an option in a drop-down menu depending on how your page is set up. Clicking this will open up a new interface where you can specify what kind of filter you want to add. After selecting filter, you'll then want to click on Add Filter. This is where the real customization begins. This will bring up a series of options that allow you to specify exactly what you want your filter to do. For example, you may choose to filter a list of tasks by status, date, or assigned person. You'll now notice that you have the ability to select your filter. This is done by defining the criteria that are most relevant to you. Confluence might offer options like text matches, drop-down selections, or even date ranges. Finally, after you've set your criteria and you're satisfied with your choices, you should click Create. This action will finalize and apply your filter to the table. It's that easy. Your table should now show filtered results based on the conditions you've just set. And that's it. So that is how you can add filter in Confluence table. So that's all for this video. Thanks.